Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this amazing channel named Geeks for Geeks School. I would also like to welcome all the students who have joined in this tutorial through my channel, the name of which is Gaurav Kumar Jain. Thank you very much, all of you, for joining me at this time. And I would also like to thank you those students who are regularly liking the videos, they are sharing the videos in the groups, and they are making our videos reach to the maximum students possible. Thank you so very much, everyone, for all your support and interest that you are showing. Now, before diving in into the Scratch platform for developing today's game, I am going to show you something. So it's a course which Geeks for Geeks has recently come up with. So it's this course is based on App Lab. If you want to know how you can design mobile applications, if you want to know the different techniques you can use for designing the user interface of a mobile app of okay, so you guys can avail this course. All the information related to this course is present on this web page. The URL of this web page is there in the description section, so go ahead and check it out. There is also a promo code which you can find in the description section, using which you can avail a very good discount on the total course fee. Right, so let me just show you what all things do we have on this web page. So here is an overview, the course overview. Then we have what all you are going to learn in this course. So we'll be teaching you mobile application, and believe me, we have done a lot of hard work on this course. You will not regret once you are done with booking your seat for this course. You're going to enjoy it a lot, and you are going to learn different kind of things. So we'll be teaching you how you can design user interface, then how can you create multi-screen applications. So that is again a very good feature. We are going to That is again a very good advantage of App Lab that you will be taught about in this course. Then we have this complete syllabus over here. So you can click on this button and automatically a new tab on your device is going to open up on your browser, and here you will find a PDF file in which you can see all the topics that will be covered in this course. So there are total 18 topics, and everything which is given in the syllabus will be covered, and besides that there will be lot many things you guys will be taught about. Right, so and the course fee is extremely affordable, and this course is for a limited period of time. If you want to avail this course, go ahead and book your seat now. Fine, and in case you are interested in artificial intelligence, you want to learn machine learning, or you want to go into the data science field, so we are there to help you out. We have the course for each and everything which is running on the internet today related to technology. Right, so you guys can get in touch with our executive team if you want to know more information about the courses that we guys are providing right now. Fine, let's now go back on that Google first. So in this lecture we are going to talk about something, right, how can we use the video sensing tool and the color sensing tool in Scratch. That's what we are here for. That's what we are going to learn in this tutorial. But first of all, we need to access the Scratch platform. So I'm going to access the Scratch online platform in the same way I'm using now online 3.0 over here in this search bar of Google, and automatically that's the web page you're going to come across. So right on the top you'll find this hyperlink. Now you can click on this and it will redirect you to the main website of Scratch. Right on the top you'll find an option named Start Creating, with the help of which you can redirect yourself to the main Scratch environment. It's going to take a little bit of time because right now the environment is loading, and by the time it is happening, if you have any queries related to anything which we have discussed earlier in the previous lectures, so you guys are most welcome to just put it in the comment section. Definitely, when I will check the comment section in between, I check it somewhere around 2 to 3 times. So if I'll find any query, definitely I'm going to answer your queries. And thank you very much for doing the same. Let's now eliminate this and it will go add extensions option. So here you have to click, and automatically this will be requiring for the thing that I am going to show you on that I'm going to show you in today's tutorial. So the first thing is of course this video sensing extension, and the second one is this music extension. So let's first select this one. Okay, so automatically you can see this platform is asking me to give my cameras, my devices cameras access to it. Let me allow that. Okay, now let's I think at present I'm not able to see myself. It's just because my pic is coming over here, my my video, I'm using it for my video, my image, my camera, I'm using it for my video. So that's the reason I am not visible over here in this part, right? But don't worry, I'll share with you all the required code. With the after that you can test it on your respective device, and if it doesn't work, please let me know in the comment section. So once you're done with adding this extension, the second extension that you need to add is this music extension, this instruments extension. So you can just click this thing and automatically this extension will get added. And how will you come to know whether the extension is has got added or not? So you'll see over here in this section a new section has got created, a new option has got created named music. And when you'll click on this, you'll see all the blocks related to music section getting reflected over here in this block codes section. Then we have this video sensing. So these are all the blocks which are a part of this video sensing section. Alright, now let's do one thing. Let's start designing the applications. So for that we need to come on this backdrops, or else instead of using backdrops we can simply make use of this choose a sprite option. You have to come down in the right side. Okay, just come on the in the bottom and you'll see this choose a sprite option. Click on this and it will redirect you to the sprites library of Scratch. Okay, so I think can we get something like pianos keys over here? I am not able to see anything which is relevant to what I want to make. So we are able to see this keyboard over here, but it will not work. I think we will have to paint the sprites on our own. No problem, we'll do that. So how can we do that? We have to click on this paint option and automatically we'll get redirected to this costumes library. Okay, and then we can just paint the required keys. So the first like this, and I don't want to see blue color. Instead of that I would like to have white color in it. I think white is going to look good. Yes, generally on keyboard we have white and black keys, right? So that's the reason white key I'm defining over here, and the width of the border should be equal to, I think 2 will be fine. Yes, 2 is more than enough. Then let's define another rectangle like this. Okay, perfect. It needs to be placed like this. I think now it is perfectly fine. Yes. So that's what I have designed right now. Let me create a duplicate of this sprite, so we can right click on this sprite, and that's what the menu which we are going to come across. So here you'll see this duplicate option getting reflected. Click on this and a copy of this sprite is going to get created like this. Okay, so now let's make use of this tool, and I would like to put it in the right side, sorry, left side now. Okay, so now we can put it like this, and this one we can put it like this. So I'm trying to give it a keyboard kind of look. Let's see whether I will be able to do that or not. So I'm putting it over here like this. Yeah, it's looking fine. And we are going to have another sprite, so we need to come on this choose a sprite option, and let's visit this paint option now. And here now I would like to have a black color rectangle box. So I think we can again make use of this rectangle tool. I think this much is fine. Yes, so I'm putting it over here. It is looking fine right now, isn't it? It's looking great as far as the view is concerned. Perfect. Okay, now we are going to create a duplicate of this one. So we can control right click on this, then hit the duplicate option, and again we are going to repeat the same steps. So I'm putting it over here. Of this one now. Okay, and let's put it over here like this. Fine. And then again we have to create the duplicate of this sprite 3. So we can make use of the same steps. Right click and then use the duplicate option. See how beautiful it is looking right now. Similarly, we need to create the duplicate of this sprite. Let's use the same option, that is duplicate, and I would like to place it over here looking fine. Then I would like to create the duplicate of this one. Okay, done with that. Looking perfectly fine right now, isn't it? It's looking amazing to me. I don't know how it is looking to you. You guys can please let me know in the comment section. Okay, and that's what we have to put over here, right? So our keyboard is ready. Let me now give it a good look. So let's make use of a line tool. I suppose it is going to do. Yes, let's make use of a line tool. So we will have to press shift key for drawing a straight line, and let's see where can we place it to make this keyboard look more amazing. Just a second, let me try and find out that line key. Where is yeah, this is the one. If I'll place it right on the top like this, will it look good? I think we don't require this, so let me just eliminate this for now. So for eliminating this, we can simply hit this bin button and automatically it will get deleted. Fine, so right now that's the design that we guys will be using for understanding the video sensing and the music extension we added some while back. But before proceeding to the next step, let me check out the comment section. If I have anything to answer, definitely I will answer the queries in case I find any in the comment section. This tutorial, and I hope you are sharing the videos also in your respective group. That's great. Okay, so let's now proceed to the coding part. So for defining the coding, we'll be using these video sensing blocks which are there present over here in this video section. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's first select one of the sprites that we have created. So I'm selecting this first sprite, right? And because it's an event driven programming that we are doing, so we have to add an event over here to this coding workspace. And now I would like a code to run for forever till the game is on. So for doing that, we can simply come down in this control section, and here we can get this forever loop, and I'm putting it over here. Now let's make use of this if control statement. I am going to put it over here. What I would like to do is, if the user will touch any of these bars, if the user will touch this sprite one, this is the sprite one, right? If he will touch this, so what should happen? So that's what I would like to define the code for. So where is that touching block? I think I can find it in sensing section. Yes, that's the one I was looking for. So touching color, if the color the user will touch is white, okay, or we can make use of this tool, color picker tool. So if it is white, then what should happen? Automatically play note, we can use this, we can put it on fine. Now let's see what's gonna happen if I'll so that's what the output I am getting right now. Let me change the background also so as to give it an appealing look. So we can make use of this choose a backdrop option, so it will redirect you to the backdrops library of Scratch. Now from here, let me select a very good background which can make our game look more good. I think this is going to look good. Yeah, it is looking amazing, but then we are not able to see the black bars, right? Let's select something else. It's this sprite library. I don't want to use this sprites library. I want to use the backdrops library. Let's select some relevant background from here. How about this one? I think this is going to look fine. Yes, it is looking amazing. See, if I'll enlarge the size of the window, so that's how it is going to look like, and it's looking marvelous. Okay, so fine, let me just hit this go button. So nothing is happening. Okay, so I think I will have to let me do one thing. Let me disable this video capture device from here, so I can, because until and unless I'll disable it from here, I'll not be able to, see myself on this window, on this playground. I want to see myself over here on this playground, so that's the reason I did that. Okay, and if I'll place it over here, then what will happen? Let's check it out. I think I will have to add this one more time because it's not working right now. As soon as backdrops option, I think, yes. And from here I will have to, remove it. So why I'm able to hear that sound? It's just because, this white background is touching this bars. So that's the reason that sound is visible to me. Now, so the game is on, and similarly, we can define the same code for all these sprites as well. So what you have to do, you have to simply drag it and drop it on this second sprite, and automatically it will get copied. When you'll come on this second sprite, you will be able to see the code over here. Alright, similarly the same thing you can do for this third one also. That's the same method that we used in yesterday's video. So here we can change the color to this black one. Okay, and then we can again use it for this black one. So now in this, okay, in this black one I'm not able to see it because the code didn't get copied successfully. I think now I'll be able to see it. Yes, now it's visible to us. And similarly the same code we can define for this third black stick also. Okay, so now when you'll come on this sprite, you will be able to see the required code over here. So we are done with defining the code for this. We are done with defining the code for this one. Then we are done with defining. We can do it. Simply you have to drag the whole code, and you have to throw it on these sprites wherever, for whatever sprite you want to use it. You just have to throw the code on that sprite and it will get copied automatically. Okay, let me just come on this sprite. Yes, so we have the code for this one also now. For this sprite 7 we haven't defined any code yet. Let me do that quickly. So we have now the code for sprite 7, and the only sprite which is left now is this sprite 8. Let me quickly define the code for this one too. Okay, so we have now the code for all the sprites we have defined over here on this playground. Let me now play the game and see what is the output we will get. So why it is happening? It's happening because of this video that we have selected this one. Let's come on this sprite 2 and select some other key. So I'm selecting this one. For this sprite 4, let's select this one. For sprite 5, let me select this second black. Not the second black, sorry, I need to select the white one, right? Okay, then for sprite 6 we can select this one. For sprite 7, okay, then for sprite 8 we can select this one. Sprite 9 we can select this black one. Perfectly fine. So now it's an automatic piano that you have created. Let's play it. So that's how it is going to sound like. Okay, if you want to make any changes, definitely you can customize it whatever way you want to. Let me now check the comment section one more time. So let me see who all are there with me in the tutorial. That's what I also would like to check out. So Komal Pandey is there, of course. She is always there. Thank you very much, dear, for supporting and showing your interest in the videos we are posting. Rayan Nadir, hello, dear. I hope you are enjoying this lecture. Do share your views in the comment section, and in case you have any queries related to anything, whatever we are discussing, so you are most welcome to share it with me in the comment section. Right. Now, before ending the lecture, I would again like to tell you about the course which Geeks for Geeks has recently come up with. So this course is based on App Lab, and here what you are going to learn, you're going to learn everything related to the app development. Fine, right from the scratch till the end. We'll teach you each and everything. So we'll start with teaching you how can you design different applications, mobile applications, what all things are required for designing a mobile app. Then it will be followed by the coding part, the appealing factor of your application. Then if you want to know more about this course, you can check out this web page. The URL of this web page you can find in the in the description section, and you can also find over there a promo code you can use for getting a very good discount on the total course fee. Right, so these are all the things that you will be learning in the course. You want to check out the syllabus that we will be covering in the course, so you can visit this link which we have attached with this button present right in the bottom of this web page. When you'll click on this, automatically you will be redirected on a new web page on which you'll be able to see a PDF file. So here you are going to find all the 18 topics which we guys will be covering in the course. And not just these 18 topics, we guys are going to teach you a lot more than what is mentioned over here in this PDF. So there are limited seats. That's what also I would like to tell you. So please go ahead and book your seats now for this course. And we are giving this course in a very affordable price. So you don't have to worry about the commercials part also. In case you want to know more about this course, you guys can put your comments in the comment section. Definitely we are going to check them out and we'll respond with whatever is required. Right, and if you want to get in touch with one of our executives, you're most welcome to do that. You can get the toll-free number or from the Geeks for Geeks main website. And besides that, if you want to learn something like artificial intelligence or machine learning or data science, we are into those things also. Right, if you want to learn Python, Java, C++, we are there to teach you those languages also. Right, so you don't have to run around anywhere. You don't have to run anywhere. We are there to help you out with each and everything. Right, so in case if you want our services, if you want us to help you, do let us know. You can get in touch with our team, and definitely they are going to provide you with all the required information. So this is it from my side in this lecture, but before ending the lecture, let me just show you the whole code that I've defined for these sprites over here. So that's the code. Let me enlarge the size of the window. So this is the code which I've defined for this sprite one, and the same code I've defined for all the other white sprites. Okay, and for the black ones, the only thing that you have to change is this color. So you can make use of this color picker tool, and that's how you can pick up the color, right, and put it over here in this input box. So that's it from my side in this lecture. Hope you guys enjoyed this one a lot. Do not forget to like and share this video in your group so as to make it reach the maximum students possible. Thank you very much and have a great day. Have a great life.